United Company for Foundries is a subsidiary for a Citadel Capital Company. It was established in 1989 as the first private sector company for the production of all heat and wear-resistant castings, grinding balls and all types of hammers to serve cement producers, mining and quarrying sector in 10th of Ramadan City, the major industrial area in Egypt. The company management had decided to increase productivity by adding new molding lines, melting and heat treatment furnaces of the latest global technology. The production capacity of the company was expanded from 6,000 tons to 30,000 tons per year by close of the year 2008. The production processes start by the preparation and design of patterns for all types of castings and grinding balls by a team of skilled experts, engineers and technicians in the company. Then comes to the core industrial process in which melting furnaces are charged with scrap and main raw materials in accordance with the alloys required. The required analysis of each melt is checked before tapping in the company laboratories to make sure of alloy standardization. In conjunction with that, the sand molds for the required castings are formed using jolt squeeze. As well as these are molding lines in full compliance with the specifications and standards. The alloys melted in the electric induction furnaces are poured into the molds after checking pouring temperatures. After being cooled inside the sand molds for a specified time that differs according to the alloy type and casting modules, the solidified castings are shaked onto. They are not allowed to move to the subsequent process till samples are cut from castings to check chemical analysis once again. The cast balls are charged into breaker drums to be separated and fettled. Then are sent to the sorting department to be sorted according to the specifications and standards. Then comes the most specialized technical process, which is the heat treatment. This process is carried out in heat treatment furnaces operated by natural gas to protect the environment. These furnaces operate according to the latest global manufacturing technology. According to their applications, there are two groups of heat treatment furnaces. One is continuous hardening furnaces and another is for tempering. All these furnaces are computerized and their thermal cycles are tightly controlled. By heat treatment operations, the optimization between wear resistance and impact resistance is successfully achieved. to ensure excellence of performance and compliance with the quality standards during the different phases of production. All such phases are subject to strict controls, tests, and microscopic examination lab. The company also owns workshops for the manufacture of spare parts, all types of rolled steel diaphragm plates for cement mills, and a hot forging line for the production of bolts, nuts, and washers. Because the company's management pursues an integrated and far-target strategy, it acquired Alexandria Automotive Company to produce high-performance autocasting parts with production capacity of 20,000 tons per year. Alexandria Automotive Company is implementing an expansion plan to increase its production capacity up to 42,000 tons per year. It also acquired the Amaria Metal Company, which currently has an annual capacity of 5,000 tons of gray iron castings. The company is planning to implement an expansion project to increase its capacity from 5,000 tons to 30,000 tons per year. From a success to another, United Company for Foundries started the establishment of a new project to produce heavy jobbing castings with a production capacity of 15,000 tons per year. To satisfy requirements, windmills and vertical cement mills, which is the recent trend in the cement industry. The United Group for Foundries became the main producer in the domestic market, where the production capacity of the group reaches 55,000 tons annually. The group plans to reach about 90% of the total domestic production, which after expansion will be approximately 110,000 tons annually. The company exports 60% of its total sales as it exports to all cement companies all over the world. The company's strategy is to maintain its position as a pioneer in the field of castings industry through maintaining the highest level of production efficiency and quality, maintaining quality and environmental management systems complying with ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 standards, developing the human resources through training programs so they can comply with the job needs and to be acquainted with the environmental health and safety standards. United Company for Foundries is a pioneer company that will continue the process of development and excellence for the welfare and better life of our nation.